Hello everyone, and in today's video we're gonna dive into the Bitcoin chart as always. Where is the catch and what does this whole structure mean? So basically, Bitcoin has been fluctuating since the price came to the support zone at 62K. But some interesting movements have already happened. Bitcoin previously broke below the diagonal support level right here by this movement, and at the same time price was consolidating above the support level, but after that broke below the support but hasn't touched this level as a resistance one. And if we look at the chart, we can realize that at this specific resistance level, literally the fate was decided, because Bitcoin was trading in a downward trend due to the fact that minimums and maximums were decreasing. But a little bit time ago, Bitcoin started to increase the minimums by these movements, which means that Bitcoin is showing signs of a swing reversal. So now we have two significant levels. The first one, of course, in my opinion, at 60.7K right here, this specific minimum. It is the current minimum. The second one, resistance level at 62.8K. It is the current maximum. Basically, whichever level gets updated first, that trend will continue. So if Bitcoin update this level first, this trend will continue. And if Bitcoin update this minimum first, this trend will continue. I mean, if Bitcoin hit the support level at 60.7K right here, and update the minimum, it will mean that the attempt to bounce is done, this movement is done, and there is a high probability of a downward move toward the support level at 59K, and after that might be toward the next support level at 50K, of course, in my opinion. But if Bitcoin updates the current maximum at 62.7K, this is current maximum, first, there is a high probability of a bounce continuations toward the liquidity resistance area at 64.2K, this specific maximum. After that, maybe toward the resistance level, resistance area at 68.70K, of course, in my opinion. Basically, all of Bitcoin's fate, of course, in my opinion, depends on these levels which I said previously. But I think most of you guys want to ask me in which direction the price might go from current price. Is it upward move, is it downward move, and what it will be. To be frank, it's really hard to define the exact direction now. On the one hand, it looks like the momentum of the bounce is faded, but on the other hand, Bitcoin on the daily time frame is literally trading in the oversold area and at the lowest prices of the entire year to short here. And I think I just want to wait a reasonable picture. It is up to you guys, which direction you want to expect. But what about some entry points? Where are they and where we can fire some short or long trades? So basically, I see two short entry points. The first one is the false breakout of the resistance level at 65K. This. By this movement, by this false breakout, the price may grab the liquidity above this resistance level and this round resistance level at 65K, and shake out weak hands. On top of that, it may look like a bullish trap by this breakout of the resistance level, and bullish can bite to this bullish trap. So basically, when the price crosses above the resistance from down to up, and then from up to down at the cross of the resistance level, I want to fire a short with this specific resistance level. The second entry point I see at the resistance area, of course, as a condition, if price hit the resistance area, it is 68.70K resistance area. Because previously price broke below this zone support level, but hasn't touched this as a resistance one. And if price hit this resistance area, I will be shorting this specific resistance area. It is 6870k, of course, in my opinion. And because due to the fact that Bitcoin previously broke below this support level but hasn't touched this resistance one, this means that this resistance area looks like a brand new one, which increases the probability of a bounce back if, of course, the price hit this resistance area. The long entry point I see at the strong significant support zone, support area, support level at 55k right here, because the price previously literally reversed from the support zone, from the support level, and also at the same time it is around support level, and it is key, strong, significant support level, as I said previously. So that was just my take, my view. Of course, no financial advice, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. No financial advice. Bye.